Let's talk about this handheld laser welder that can do both manual process and cobot welding at the same time.
In this video, we have the TRM water-cooled 3000 watts handheld laser welder. It comes with dual wire feeders, and the torch gun was mounted onto our Cobot CRA Cobot to automate the process. The beauty is, as long as your current handheld laser welder allows external control, we can help you to upgrade your handheld into a cobot applications, maximizing your production. Meanwhile, you still get to keep the flexibility of using the same handheld for manual process. Over here, we are laser welding gauge 6 aluminum fillet joints without any wire. Here are the post-weld results. As you can see, very minimal distortion and exceptional quality. It only takes seconds to teach a weld joint with the force sensing jack, place, and record feature. Here we're welding 1/4 inch carbon steel with dual wire feeding. Laser welding offers superior speed, precision, and strength compared to MIG, with significantly reduced heat distortion and minimal post-weld cleaning. It excels on thin materials and complex aesthetic joints due to a smaller, more concentrated heat effector zone. Here are the post-weld results. Thanks again for watching, and please contact us to learn more.